Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get SketchUp plugins. These powerful additions significantly enhance your design process, offering specialized tools and features that go beyond SketchUp's core capabilities. They can help you automate repetitive tasks, create complex geometries with ease, and even render stunning visualizations. Understanding how to find and install them is key to unlocking SketchUp's full potential and boosting your productivity by a significant margin. The primary method for acquiring plugins is through the SketchUp extension warehouse. This official marketplace is integrated directly into SketchUp, offering thousands of extensions developed by both Trimble and third-party creators. You can easily search, filter, and install plugins with just a few clicks, ensuring compatibility and often providing automatic updates. It's a convenient and reliable way to expand your toolkit. Sometimes, you might need to install plugins manually, especially if they are from independent developers or not yet in the extension warehouse. This involves downloading an RBZ file, which is SketchUp's plugin package format. You then use the extension manager within SketchUp to install this file. This process gives you greater control and allows access to a broader range of specialized tools. Once installed, managing your plugins is straightforward using the extension manager. Here, you can enable or disable extensions as needed, keeping your SketchUp interface clean and efficient. You can also uninstall plugins you no longer use. Regularly checking for updates ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, maintaining optimal performance and compatibility across your entire SketchUp workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.